Last year, we bought a boat off of Craigslist, and boat runs fine, everything's good, but we need to rebuild the interior. Also, when I winterized it, who knows if I winterized it correctly? I mean, maybe we're gonna have to rebuild it like the block. I don't know. We'll find out how big of an idiot I am. So here's the boat. So this is where we're talking about interior.
This is the worst.
Yeah, this one's the worst, but
They're all like...
This guy was one owner. He took care of the boat pretty well, I'd say, but the only thing he didn't do was cover it over the summer. So I winterized this boat, apparently.
There's oil. Called a place last year before we put the boat away to see how much it would cost to get the new covers, and the new covers are about $800 what they told us last year. So we're gonna give them a call again and get them ordered and try to see if we can get them here as soon as possible before boating season starts, so that way we could have this boat in mint shape and take it out to the lake.
So yeah, but that's $800. Moment of truth is pretty close. There we go. Take a guess, guys. What do you guys think would pick up this thing for?
Clean title, never been wrecked. One
Yeah.
owner.
This is not from the auction. I think this is the only thing. I mean, I think this and this truck is the only thing that's not from the auction. Hey, is this thing clean title too?
Yeah.
Dude, this Nissan truck. What year is this?
93.
A 93 Nissan truck.
What we got in this box should make the interior of the boat look a lot better. All the stuff, guys. Here's the covers for the seat. So we'll just reveal the price for the boat. So the boat we paid $3,000 for. It is a 06 clean title, one owner boat. That's a pretty good price. We were looking on Craigslist. They go anywhere from like 6 to all the way up to 10 grand for the same exact boat. And when we went to go register it, they wouldn't let us pay tax only on 3 grand because they're like, oh, the boat's too cheap. This boat's worth way more than that. So they actually made us pay tax from 5 grand. So we overpaid on the tax, but whatever. It is what it is. It was a good deal on the boat. And then also for all these covers, we paid just a little under $900 for them. It was $800 for the covers, $62 for the tax, and $35 for shipping. So a total of $897. All right, so we found the cover for this seat and we tried it on. I don't know if this is the right thing to do. We were thinking it fits right over it. What if we just double layer it?
Look how much extra comes up, like.
And then we can just pull it tight and then it'll have double the cushion. All right, guys, so we got our seat, got a little blanket thing to not damage the leather. We got a staple gun, a little air-powered staple gun, a couple just little clip tools to get the staples out. And we're actually gonna attempt to take all the staples out. We're gonna pop them out and just try to do it that way, see what happens. Shouldn't be too bad.
So we did just basically a test, plus staples, 4 of them on each side, and
looks pretty good.
Yeah, it looks really good. Look at that. So I think we could probably start
The staples.
We got this seat off right here. Looks like a bucket seat, just a little plastic piece here. I could feel there's a plastic piece that comes up here as well. As you can see, this is the cushion that goes like this. It wasn't as bad as I thought it was gonna be. Pretty simple and easy. There's some moss on it here, and then he's finishing up this seat right there. Okay guys, the day has come. We're putting the upholstery back into this boat, and it's gonna take us probably a couple hours to do. It's gonna be quick, and we're gonna see how these brand new upholstery look. As you guys seen, time lapse, we're putting the boat together. We're almost done, and I'm pretty excited. We got one more seat to do, and also a couple little touch-ups and tying up a few bolts here and there. This thing is giving me some hard time. Already had to take off this thing one time because it was basically I put this thing with those ribs out. Didn't realize that the ribs have to be. So we got this seat. As imagined, this seat would have been the hardest. Honestly, it wasn't that hard. So the hardest part was taking it off from this panel and then unhooking it, all that, unbolting it, and then the fronts. The fronts were super easy. They look really good. Look at this, guys. So let us know in the comments what you guys think about this build. You guys want to see more boats, or you guys want to stick to cars? Let us know in the comment section below, and we'll see you guys on the next one.